Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Suites, Long Island, Melville. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located 1 mile from the Long Island Expressway, this hotel is a 3-minute drive from Adventureland Amusement Park. The hotel has on-site laundry facilities and guest rooms with Wi-Fi access. A kitchenette is included in every room at Extended Stay America, Long Island, Melville. They are equipped with kitchenware. Rooms also have cable TV and are furnished with a work desk. Guests can enjoy a free grab-and-go breakfast including breakfast bars, muffins, hot cereal, coffee and tea is served every morning. Weekly housekeeping services is provided for free and daily housekeeping is available for a fee. Towels and linen can be exchanged at the front desk. The American Airpower Museum is 4.2 miles from Melville Extended Stay America. Bethpage State Park is 2.2 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.